Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have a character art of a cool-looking female by Radio Quartet, Calmed by the Dark, Leviathan, a 3D action game where Earth is now ruled by dragons. We play as the last remaining humans and fight against the dragons to save the world. In plugin releases for today, we have an MV plugin by WTR that allows us to display icons on save files, an MV and MZ plugin by MacPen that can change the distance between player character and their followers, and an MZ plugin by Gabriel Nascimento that allows adding and customizing fog effects on map and in battles. Next, we have 450 unique shapes for designing our UI by Miramari, a collection of animated Japan backgrounds by Gutti Kroim and Komodo, and lastly, super retro world exterior tile sets by GIF. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.